Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amin, your friendly English teacher, here to help you learn English language in a fun and easy way. Today we're going to talk about the phrasal verb go off and its different meanings. Did you know seriously that go off can mean more than one thing? Let's dive in and explore these different meanings of this interesting phrasal verb. The first meaning of go off, ring. The first meaning of go off is when something makes a loud noise, like an alarm or a phone. It's used to describe when these devices start ringing. For example, my phone went off in the middle of the night and woke me up. The second meaning of go off, stop working. The second meaning of go off is when something stops working, especially electrical devices like lights or machines. For example, the power went off during the storm and we were left in the dark. The third meaning of go off, explode. The third meaning of go off is when something explodes, like a bomb or fireworks. This usage is often heard in news reports or action movies. For example, the firework went off with a loud bang during the celebration. So as you can see, go off can have different meanings depending on the context. Isn't that fascinating? Now I'd love to hear from you guys. Can you think of any other phrasal verbs that have different meanings? Drop your examples in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And also hit the subscribe button down there for more exciting English lessons. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. See you soon.